You have stopped washing machine showing an error code, and the machine is full of water and inside your grandma's favorite clothes, which she absolutely needs for the senior ball. Just don't panic. I'm going to show you how to drain water from any washing machine without making a mess and without any tools. It's not easy to empty a full washing machine, especially since a lot of machines don't have a drain tube. My washing machine is an excellent example of a pain in the you know where. I tried different methods, but all of them ended with a mess and water all over the floor. But now I can tell you, just take a trash bag, cut a piece of cardboard to work as a water slide and slowly open the drain pump cover. If the washing machine has a lot of water, it's better to empty the machine in several turns. You don't want a big explosion in the middle of your room. When all the water has drained out, you can remove the drain pump filter, clean it and fix the error.